Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Artist Genius. In today's session, we are taking XP22 Excel AppCapstone intro collection. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Focusing on XP22 Excel intro collection. AppCapstone intro collection. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and both are shown in my PC screen. I will provide you A+ grades in your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. XP22 Excel AppCapstone. Okay, step number 1 is that you can see step number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the named file name XP22 Excel Capstone intro collection. Basically in this step we will have to download Excel workbook from MATLAB dashboard. You can download your Excel workbook from MATLAB dashboard. I have also downloaded Excel workbook from MATLAB dashboard. You can see our Excel workbook XP22 Capstone intro collection. Okay. Now moving on step number 2. I have done first step. Now moving on step number 2. Okay. On the questions worksheet, move the title Raymond's art collection from cell A7 to A1. Basically in this step we will have to move the title Raymond's art collection from cell A7 to A1. We will move the title on question worksheet. On the question worksheet, first we will select this title Raymond's art collection, then we will move A7 to A1. Okay, cut this and paste on cell A1. Okay, I have done second step of this assignment. Now moving on step number 3. Step number 3 is that select the range A1 to A5, merge the cells and apply middle align vertical alignment. Basically in this step we will have to select this range and then merge the cells and apply middle align vertical alignment. Okay, first we will select this range. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the PC screen. I will provide you A+ grade in your assignment, exam, quizzes and complete course. Okay. To balance this space, okay, first we select this range. Go moving on Excel workbook, select this range, then merge the cells. Then merge the cell, merge and click merge cells. Okay, it will merge the cell and apply middle align vertical alignment. Go to alignment and apply middle align vertical alignment. Go to alignment and apply middle align vertical alignment. Is mid center, is middle. Okay, is applying. It will be applying. It will be black. Okay, I have done 3 steps of this assignment. You can see 3 steps is completed of this assignment. Now moving on step number 4. Step number 4 is that You want to format some input cells in column K to be similar to other input cells. Change the width of column K to 17.00, select the range K1 to K3 and copy thick outside border. Basically in this step we will have to change the width of column K to 17.00, then select the range K1 to K3 and then apply thick outside border. Okay, change the width of column K to 17, go to algebra book, then select column K, right click on this column width, change this data 17.00, then click OK. It will be change width of column K. Select the ranges K1 to K3 and then apply thick outside borders. Then apply thick outside border. Thick outside border. Okay. I have done this step. Step number 4 is completed now. I have done 4 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 5. Step number 5 is that click cell C11 and freeze pane so that rows 1 through 10 and column A and B are frozen. Basically in this tab we will go to view tab and go to freeze pane so that rows 1 through 10 and column A and B are frozen. You can read this instruction first. I have done this assignment 100% plus time. Okay. C11, click on cell C11 and freeze pane so that rows 1 through 10 and columns A and B are frozen. View tab and go to freeze pane and freeze pane. Okay. Column A and B are frozen and freeze row 10. 1 to 10. Okay. And column A and B are frozen. I have done this step. Step number 5 is completed now. You can see on my instruction sheet I have done 5 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 6. Step number 6 is that select the ranges E11 to E59 and apply the March 12 date format. Mac user, depending on the version of Office you are using, the date format may be March 15. Basically in this step we will have to select first range and apply the date format March-12. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are shown on this screen. I have done this assignments 100 plus time for my many students from Canada and USA and they all got 90 plus grade in their assignment. Okay, first we select these ranges. Then apply the March 12 date format. Go to home tab, go to date format, number group. Go to date format, March 12 format. Go to March 12 format. Okay, you can see here that I have done this step now. Step number 6 is complete now. Now moving on step number 7. Step number 7 is that find all occurrences of retired and replace them with sold out. Basically in this step we will have to find all occurrences of retired and then replace with to sold out. Go to home tab, go to find and select. We will find first retired, select replace with sold out. Find retired, then replace with sold out. Replace with sold out. All done. We made 38 replacement. Okay, replay. Okay, close then. I have done this tab. Find and replace all occurrences. I have done 7 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 8. Step number 8 is that select the range C1 to C1 to G5. Check the spellings and correct spelling errors. Basically, in this step we will have to select first this range, then we will go to review tab, then we will check spell errors. Okay. A range contains misspelled word that needs to be detected and corrected. Select the range C5 to G5, check the spelling and correct spelling error. This assignment mostly common in exams, and I have done this many times, these exams, and my art student got A plus grade in their exams. You can contact me for your exams help. You can contact me for your assignment through my WhatsApp and email. Okay, select this range first. Then check the spelling and correct spelling error. Go to review tab. Go to review tab and spellings. Okay, check spelling complete. Okay, this step is completed now. I have done 8 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 9. Step number 9 is that in cell A6 insert the two-day function. Basically, in this step we will have to click on cell A6 and insert two-day function. In cell A6 insert two-day function. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are shown in my PC screen. Okay. Go to cell A6 and apply two-day function. Two-day function. Okay. Okay. It will be shown there. Date 7/17/2024. I have done this step. You can see here on my instruction and Excel workbook. I have completed this step now. Now moving on step number 10. Step number 10 is that click cell H11. Click on cell H11 Christian worksheet and insert a formula that calculates the percentage remnants paid of the issued price by dividing the amount paid by the issue price. Okay. Basically, in this step we will have to enter a function in cell H11 on Christian worksheet and insert a formula that calculates the percentage remnants. Okay. Click on cell H11, then enter a function in cell H11 is equal to G11 over divided by F11. Then press enter. It will be percent paid. Okay, copy the formula from cell H11 to the range H12 to H59. Copy this formula H11 to H59. Okay, it will be shown all value in column H. You can see here. I have done this step now. Now moving on to next step. I have done 10 step of this assignment. Now moving on to step number 10, 11. I have done 10 step. Now moving on to step number 11. Step number 11 is that click cell J11 and insert the formula that calculates the percentage change in value by subtracting the issue price from the current value and then dividing that result by the issue price. Copy the formula from cell J11 to the range J12 to J59. Basically, in this step, we will have enter a formula in cell J11 to calculate this. Okay, click on cell J11, enter a formula in cell J11 to calculate the percentage change in value by subtracting the issue price from the current value. Okay. Enter a formula there. Minus F11. Okay. Issue price dividing by F11 issue price, then press enter. Okay, it will be find percentage change in values. Here copy the formula from cell J11 to the range J12 to J59. Basic step we will have fill handle and copy the formula here J11 to J12 to J59. Okay, I have done this step now. This step is completed now. You can see here I have done 11 steps of this assignment. Now moving on step number 12. Step number 12 is that apply percent style with 1 decimal places to the range H11 to H59 and J11 to J59. Basically, in this step we will have to select for these ranges and then we will apply percent style with 1 decimal places. Select H11 to H59. Select this range. Then apply percent style with percent with 1 decimal places. Then apply select this range. Okay, then apply percent style with 1 decimal places. Okay, you can see here I have done this step now. Total step of the assignment is but I have done 12 steps of this assignment. For remaining step or you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in description and both are shown on my screen. I will provide you A+ care in your assignments, exam, quizzes or complete course. I have done this exam many times for many students from Canada and USA and they all pass with A+ grade. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and best of luck. Thank you so much.